There we go, guys. Get it at one hand. Come on. Everybody, nice and loud. Let's hear it.
Oh, shit.
Thank you. Wait a minute! We're not finished! Everybody! Nice and loud for the last 3 or 4! Hey, you should see it from here!
Yeah!
There we go. Come on, everyone! Ouch! You can clap now, we're almost finished. I don't do magic. Magic's an illusion. The doctor said I needed more iron in my diet. This is how I get it. It's a lot more fun than taking vitamins. It just hurts a bit more. Folks, this lovely young lady's been out here looking after me. We've had a few laughs at Kayla's expense. I'm gonna send her out, make Kayla feel great for the rest of the day, and give her a big round of applause. Alright, let's get this out of here. Makes those nose piercings look a bit still silly, don't they? Oh no! It's stuck! Let's loosen it up!
Oh my god. It's really in there, dude. Holy shit. Oh! Ah!
There we go!
Dang. That was really in there.
Nobody move! Nobody bloody move! Folks, enjoy your day! Please come forward with a donation or a thank you and help keep me on the street!
Yeah.